United Nations Development Programme in Belarus is happy to present to you the second edition of our Social Innovation Lab.
To support local entrepreneurship and responsible tourism, UNDP in Belarus has developed 17 beautiful tourist destinations around the country. But some still say Belarus is the best kept secret in Europe. It's time to uncover it.
We are getting together developers, entrepreneurs, government, NGOs and people with great ideas who are keen to show Belarus to the world. This time we are hacking for tourism in Brest, together with our partners at EPAM Systems, to make the most of technology and come up with innovative solutions.
Hack for Tourism coming soon. The event will take place on July 11-12 at the Brest Fortress. During Hack for Tourism, Belarusian rich culture, tradition and heritage will blend with new technologies and innovations. As the largest IT company in Belarus, EPAM is very excited to be partnering with the United Nations Development Programme to support great initiatives and talented people. Let's hack for social change! See you in Brest!